Okay, so the Western Blot station, we'll show you where it is. It's going to be right across from where you're sitting, where all of this stuff is. Most of the stuff you need is already at this station. So you've run Westerns before, but if you haven't poured gels, it means that your lab bought them, and that's a way more convenient way to run Westerns, but we have to pour our own gels. It's really not that hard, but it's annoying. So we have our recipes here. Mostly you're going to be using 10% gels, so you can kind of ignore this bottom half. And depending on how many gels you want to make, you'll follow either this or this. But usually I make 4 so that I have more around. So here's all the ingredients, and most of half of them are in the fridge and half of them are up here. So you do have to be careful because there's 2 different types of tris, and you use them for different steps, as you'll see in a bit. But so the first one that you need is the 1.5 8.8. That's this bottle here. You'll also need DI water. Easy enough, that just comes from the sink, from the DI tap. And then the other thing that's kept at room temperature is 10% SDS. So that's also up on that shelf. Now you still need, again, so if you look at this, there's on this list is the 1 molar tris, 6.8, but you'll see that in this first step you don't use any of that, so we don't need that yet. But the other 3 things are in the 4 degree in this fridge, and they're pretty much always kind of in the same spot. We have, let me throw that out. So use the more full, this one's pretty empty, don't use that one, use the one that is heavier. So this is 30% acrylamide. APS, usually there's some in the 4 degree. If we run out, we'll show you there's a stock in the -20. And then the other thing that you need is Clemid, which we keep in this bottle. Just bring these over here. So those are all the things that you need, these 6 things.